the Christmas season offers a beautiful opportunity to transform your kitchen into a comforting retreat filled with warmth, softness, and festive charm. This narrative explores deeply layered textures, subtle seasonal accents, and cozy styling that enriches the heart of the home. For your viewers at Decorasri, this guide brings inspiration designed to spark creativity while encouraging a soulful holiday aesthetic that feels both festive and intimate. Building a cozy holiday kitchen begins with layering soft textures that instantly shift the atmosphere. Think of cotton runners, rustic linen cloths, and lightly patterned tea towels that add understated holiday spirit. Choose warm, neutral tones that support seasonal accents while keeping the room grounded, ensuring your kitchen maintains an inviting balance between practicality and visual comfort. Incorporating textured holiday fabrics is one of the easiest ways to transition your kitchen into the Christmas season. Plaid napkins, embroidered seasonal pot holders, and knitted trivets introduce comfort without overwhelming the space. The right textiles enhance the tactile appeal of your kitchen, creating a sense of softness and nostalgia that enhances every holiday moment spent cooking or gathering. Adjusting the lighting can transform your kitchen from everyday functional to magical and holiday ready. Warm bulbs, soft under-cabinet illumination, and strategically placed candles create a cozy, glowing ambience. When combined with natural textures, these lights enhance depth and warmth, making your kitchen feel like a peaceful retreat during cold winter nights filled with festive energy. Natural textures such as pine sprigs, cedar branches, and eucalyptus bundles bring freshness to your holiday kitchen. Adding these to countertops, vases, or simple jars introduces organic charm. Their soft fragrance and earthy appeal keep the Christmas styling grounded, ensuring your kitchen feels comfortable rather than overly decorated, especially when paired with warm wood tones or woven baskets. Your countertops can become focal points by blending functional items with festive accents. Display wooden cutting boards, ceramic jars, and woven trays layered with small ornaments or seasonal florals. This approach keeps the kitchen practical while adding Christmas warmth. Subtle arrangements ensure your space remains uncluttered, allowing cozy visuals to unfold naturally without disrupting your cooking routine. Incorporating warm metallic accents, such as brushed gold utensils, copper mugs, or bronze candle holders, adds a refined holiday glow. These pieces work beautifully with rustic textures and soft fabrics, creating a balanced mix of cozy and modern. Metallics catch the light wonderfully during the season, helping your kitchen feel festive without requiring overly bright or bold decor choices. Open shelves offer an ideal area to display curated holiday textures. Incorporate stacked stoneware plates, ribbed glassware, or rustic wooden elements to build depth. Add winter-themed pieces such as mini wreaths or knitted ornaments to create seasonal interest. The shelves become a storytelling space, allowing your Christmas kitchen decor to feel intentional and visually comforting. A small beverage nook instantly elevates the kitchen's holiday charm. Style it with seasonal mugs, textured placemats, cinnamon bundles, and tiny decorative accents. This dedicated area encourages cozy rituals and adds a charming visual moment. The combination of warm colors and soft materials transforms the simplest corner into a festive destination during chilly December mornings. Introducing a textured rug or runner instantly enhances the coziness of your holiday kitchen. Choose woven materials, soft braided textiles, or low-pile rugs with subtle festive patterns. These elements warm up the space physically and visually, making time spent cooking holiday meals more enjoyable. They also help balance the cooler surfaces typically found in kitchens. A cozy kitchen is not defined only by visuals. Incorporating seasonal scents adds an immersive dimension. Place simmer pots filled with oranges, cinnamon sticks, and cloves on the stovetop. Add soy candles with warm holiday aromas like vanilla or pine. These sensory layers create an inviting atmosphere, making the kitchen feel even more harmonious and season-appropriate. Holiday tableware, even in small quantities, contributes significant charm to your Christmas kitchen. Choose ceramic plates with subtle winter motifs, textured serving bowls, or festive drinkware. These pieces elevate holiday meals while blending seamlessly with cozy textures. Mixing neutral and seasonal items ensures your tableware feels timeless yet still aligned with the warmth of the season. Hanging small wreaths on cabinet doors or adding garlands along shelves brings softness and seasonal elegance to your kitchen. Choose natural, lightly textured greenery and avoid heavy decorations to keep the look refined. These additions frame the space beautifully while complementing the warm holiday accents already present in your decor scheme. A Christmas kitchen often feels most festive when baking supplies make a gentle appearance. Display wooden rolling pins, flower jars, cookie cutters, or holiday molds in charming arrangements. These items add nostalgic warmth while remaining functional. Their presence signals the joyful traditions of holiday baking, making the kitchen feel lived in and full of seasonal spirit. As you style your holiday kitchen with warm textures, gentle lighting, and festive details, the result is a space that feels both comforting and joyful. This approach celebrates subtlety while embracing the heartwarming spirit of the season. For your audience at Decorasri, these ideas offer inspiration to craft a Christmas kitchen that reflects beauty, warmth, and heartfelt holiday comfort.